In this video, I installed Windows 10 on my 12-year-old PC that has 2 gigs of RAM and Pentium processor. And in the comment section of that video, a new user commented, try installing Windows 11 on your PC. And I was like,
oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
After that, I made up my mind to install Windows 11 on my PC. I downloaded the Windows 11 official ISO file, free version. I tried installing Windows 11 on my PC, but I came to an error which says
You serious?
I was not able to install Windows 11 on my PC because of low RAM. So I increased my PC's RAM by 1 GB by purchasing a 1 GB DDR2 RAM. But even after upgrading the RAM, I was not able to install the original Windows 11 on my PC. So I thought, how about I install any modded version of Windows 11 that uses less RAM and resources, just like the Windows 10 Ghost Spectre that uses less resources and less RAM as compared to the original version of Windows 10. So I researched a little bit on the internet and came across Tiny11. Tiny11 is something as same as Windows 10 Ghost Spectre. It is a modded version of Windows 11 that uses less resources and does not require 4 GB RAM to run. After that, without wasting any more time, I downloaded the ISO file of Tiny11 and installed it on my PC. I have finally installed Windows 11 Tiny version on my PC, so let's boot it up. Here's my PC screen, monitor screen. I can't enable screen recording, so it shows Windows 7 here on the boot menu, but I guarantee you that it is Windows 11, I mean Tiny11. So let's enter and let's see how much time it takes to boot up. I have started the timer. Here's the logo of the official Windows 11, but it is not the original Windows 11, as I'm repeating myself. It is Tiny11. Okay, show me the loading screen. Oh, there's the loading screen, and it's gonna take a while to boot itself up, so I think I'm gonna fast forward the video. It took around 1 minute and 2 seconds to boot our Windows 11 Tiny11. Let me type in the password, and I'm not typing slow, it's just that it lags that much. Now let's see what we got here. We have WhatsApp pre-installed. Let's see task manager and let's see the RAM usage. I'm not typing slowly, it's just that it's lagging so much. Okay, I think it's stuck. No, I'm not able to move my cursor. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I'm just pressing the tab key. Oh, the cursor is back. Let's do task manager, not task manager. So let's open task manager and see what's the performance, what's the RAM usage, what's the CPU usage, and much more. Damn. Okay, CPU usage is 93%, memory usage 54%, 1.8 gigabits of RAM is being used by this Tiny11, and I can see from which angle it's tiny. It's a bundle, because on my PC it can't run. If I open Firefox, I think it's gonna be a nightmare. So let's try it. Okay, surprisingly it doesn't lag. I'm not moving the cursor slowly. I'm telling you again and again that I'm not moving the cursor slowly. It's just that it's lagging that much. Okay, wow. So the Firefox is opened successfully without any errors. Not errors, I mean without any lags. So let's open the file manager. I have not used Windows 11 that much, so I don't know where's what. I don't like the new UI. I like the old one, like Windows 10. This PC, okay. So here's the file manager, file explorer. It's not an Android, bro. Oh, what? I didn't click on settings. Okay, file manager. Wait, what? So here it is. Here I have some. Okay, here I have Ubuntu ISO file and some videos. Here I have some downloads, 3 download ISO files. These are all of Linux, Pop OS, both the Linux and Ubuntu. So let's. Okay, I have an idea. Let's play a movie. I have John Wick in, I think, 720 pixel quality HD. So let's try to play it and see if it is capable to play a movie that is HD. Okay, so I can't face any lags. I'm not facing any lags here. Let's try to skip the movie. It's lagging. I'm saying again and again that it is lagging. I don't know if you guys can feel it, but it's lagging. The video is nice, but the cursor is lagging. I'm pressing the keys, but it's lagging. So there's not much to do. I can't think of anything. Let's just try launching Need for Speed Most Wanted. Let's do the same thing that we did with Windows 10 running on 2 GB RAM, but now it has 3 GB RAM and it is the tiny version of Windows 11. So it, from my perspective, it should run and it should not crash. Here we go, speed.exe, double click to run, and it's buffering. Okay, we got the black screen. Here it should say EA Sports. Okay, loading screen, Need for Speed Most Wanted. Oh my god. Will I really be able to play it? Click to continue. I'm gonna click. Okay, I'm facing lags. I'm facing a delay, like I'm using Bluetooth. Oh my god, look at the lag. Look at the lag, guys. It's stuck. Really. I can't move the cursor, I can't press any keys. It won't respond to my inputs. Okay, I think the PC is stuck. The only way to get out of here is to plug it off. Force shutdown. That's the only option I have been left with, because I can't do anything at this point. So that's the review of the Tiny11. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informational videos like this. Thank you very much for your time.